Good day, and welcome to the Prokon YouTube channel. My name is Michael Klomp, and I'm a technical support consultant at Prokon. Today I'm going to demonstrate features of Probar 2D's Sumo wizard. This video will demonstrate how to import suggested slab reinforcing results, the utilization of Probar 2D's area zone, the utilization of Probar 2D's modifier wizard, and lastly, the plotting and scheduling of rebar entities. First, ensure that you have run an analysis on your Sumo model. Once you have run the analysis, you can toggle to the Results tab and view the suggested reinforcing results for the top and bottom X and Y directions. Then lastly, save the file so that it can be used within Probar 2D. In Probar 2D, open up the Sumo wizard and import the Sumo file for which an analysis was conducted. In the slab section, click on the drop-down list and select the slab you wish to import. Next, select either the type of load case or load combination results. Lastly, select the X or Y direction and top or bottom position you would like to import the suggested reinforcing results of. Select the Import Slab to AutoCAD command and paste the location of the slab in AutoCAD's model space. Notice the maximum suggested reinforcing. Next, I'll make use of the Area Zone wizard to quickly detail the slab in accordance with the maximum suggested reinforcing. Notice how the slab wizard automatically calculates the area of steel for you when you select the type, spacing, and diameter of the bar. For more details and information on the slab wizard, refer to the Probar 2D Area Zone video. You can optimize the bending schedule by making use of the Drawing Selection Modify command to renumber and optimize reinforcing. Lastly, once the bending schedule has been optimized, you can paste the bending schedule into AutoCAD's model space. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications.